It's a huge, huge unlock for commercial real estate and REITs. So before the IRA, the tax attributes that would get generated whenever a commercial building owner, say, put on solar on their roof, were generally locked in that the REIT couldn't sell the tax attributes. You couldn't sell tax credits before the IRA. And as a REIT, and generally as a commercial building owner as well, you're not paying any tax. As a REIT, you don't pay tax at the entity level. And as a commercial building owner, generally the depreciation from the building is a pretty good shield on any income, rental income from the building. So the tax attributes kind of just sat there and went to waste. And to give you a sense of how big that is, these tax credits for solar are anywhere from 30 to 50% of the cost to put solar in. So if you're a building owner, and you just spent $1 million putting solar on your roof, and you lose 300 to 500,000 of the value of that solar asset because you can't do anything with the tax credits, that's really, really painful.